Hey, what's up, YouTube? So I'm gonna run a quick MacOS Tahoe test, and basically, I want to see if you guys are seeing the same type of issue. Or this is, I mean, if you know what the issue is, please let me know. But I recently upgraded to Mac OS Tahoe, like 26 point something. Let me see. Let me check. Yeah, 26.2. So I'm on an M3 MacBook Pro with 64 gigs of RAM, and it just seems like, man, ever since I did the upgrade, everything's kind of been crap in the bed. I'm getting a lot of application memory issues. So earlier today, I was working in Firefox, and I'm looking at Firefox just chew up memory. So what I've done so far, I deleted Firefox and reinstalled, but like, check this out. So I'm gonna launch Firefox. I'm gonna let it. Right now it's 12:17. I'm probably gonna let it run to like, let's say 12:20 and see how much memory it eats up. And let me know if you've seen something similar. This is normal or this is just weird. All right, so here you go. As you can see, I got in Safari. I got a ton of tabs open, but I'm gonna open up Firefox. Okay, we just sort of jump up to 294 megs, and time is 12:17. So let's see what happens. Well, it's 12:18 now. Let's see what happens like at 12:20. Better yet, 12. I don't know, 12:21. Better yet, at 12:20, I'll open up a new tab. Right now, we creeped up to 309 megabytes and back down to 291. So it looks like we might settle around the 300 mark. Three 25, 12:19, and we're at 331. See, we're growing. 344, 350. Gee whiz. Are we going to top 400? Okay, it's 12:20, and I am gonna. Oh, it's 12:20. We're at 363. I'm gonna make another tab. Three. I don't know. Maybe I shouldn't. It's just growing, and I'm not touching anything. So is it the bookmarks I got going on, or is it this stuff that you know these shortcuts that Firefox has? I have not opened up another tab yet. I haven't did any work, and it's at 400 megs. I don't know now at this point. Yeah, I'm gonna give it 2 more minutes. Damn, 2 gigs? How would you go from 4 megs to 2 gigs? Yeah, I think I proved my point, but I'm gonna give it. It's 12:21. I'm gonna give it to 12:23. Yeah, it's at the top. I don't think it's no sense to give it to 12:23. We're at the top of the leaderboard now at 2.76 gigabytes, and I haven't touched anything on Firefox. It's just chewing through memory. Anyway, um, yeah. If any, I mean, if this, damn, 3.43. If this is usual, I mean, let me know. If not, then yeah. How do you fix it? I think what I'm going to do this weekend is just do a clean install, right? And maybe hopefully that's going to fix it. But it seemed like for me, Tahoe is not working out right now. 4 gigs. And I, this is crazy. All right. All right. Thanks, guys. Bye.